So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Cash Avalanche here on Swagbucks. Now, once Swagbucks is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on Games, then press on Get Started. Once you're on this page right here, it'll redirect you to this screen where there's a whole bunch of different games you guys can download and play and actually earn yourselves real money. Now in this case, we're going to go to the top right to where it says most popular and then press on A to Z because we're looking for the game Cash Avalanche here. I don't have to scroll super far down, so I just have to go ahead and scroll to where the C's are, which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is right here. So a bunch of different games, Cash Avalanche, earn up to 89,000 swag bucks. How you guys can exactly earn those swag bucks is first and foremost, press on Get Now and download the game. Now, once that is done, if you were to scroll down, if you were to go ahead and do a bunch of purchases here, you can get some swag bucks. You can go ahead and actually bet some coins here. And you guys can earn swag bucks as a result of that. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once you guys earn enough swag bucks, you can redeem those swag bucks for real money and or gift cards. But that's how you guys can download this is how you guys can play Cash Avalanche on Swagbucks to earn real money. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.